Linda is off tonight.
We are still seeing some fallout from the case involving popular shock jocks Bubba the Love Sponge and Todd M.J. Schnitt. 3 attorneys associated with the law firm that represented Bubba are facing disciplinary action by the Florida bar for what role they might have played in the DUI arrest of Schnitt's attorney. Our John Thomas is live at the courthouse in Pinellas County with what appeared to be some very tense moments in the courtroom between lawyers and the judge in this case. John?
Yeah, Jameson, I would describe it as subtly tense. You know, when you're in the courtroom, you have to maintain some decorum. So things you see like Al Pacino, you're out of order, this whole court's out of order. That's stuff you're just going to see in the movies. In here, though, today, if the blood wasn't boiling, it was close to boiling. And when the judge made his decision, he was not backing down.
That motion will be denied.
It was that decision from Judge Douglas Baird that touched off an uncomfortable exchange in the courtroom.
We would take this decision up.
Well, where are you going to take it?
The Supreme Court.
Okay, well, you can do that.
Judge Baird today denied defense attorney Greg Kehoe's motion to delay the disciplinary hearing for attorneys Stephen Diaco, Robert Adams, and Greg Filtow, pending the outcome of an FBI investigation, setting a new court date, May 11th.
There's simply not going to be enough time. And again, in a pure fairness issue, Judge, this is a pure fairness because we've been working on this.
Well,
excuse me, Your Honor, let me finish. We've been working on this settlement for a significant period of time.
A settlement that was rejected by the judge last Friday, which would have seen Diaco surrender his law license, and both Adams and Filtow have their license suspended for 91 days for their role in the DUI arrest of fellow attorney Phil Campbell during the Bubba the Love Sponge Clem and Todd Schnitt defamation case back in January of 2013.
Now, I ask, Your Honor, given what's at stake here, the licenses, and given Your Honor's order rejecting those pleas, I simply ask for some additional time to allow us to put on a fulsome debate here. I'm not asking for another month, Judge. I'm asking for another 3 weeks till June the 8th.
No, that'll be the time.
Keeping his emotions close to his vest outside the courthouse, this is how Kehoe would answer the question, what next?
We're members of the bar and we follow orders, and I'll follow the orders and do what we have to do.
So Kehoe says he is going to go to the Supreme Court. He wants to get that stay in. And that issue is that FBI investigation. He says because of that investigation, 6 key witnesses would not testify in this hearing. Well, when he explained that to the judge basically said, hey, that's their choice. And the date is May 11th. In Pinellas County, John Thomas, ABC Action News.